You were here, it means you felt it, that ache, that question whispering, how long will I live like this? And I said, there's just a tiny gap between the life you are living and the life you want to live. This moment right now, it's your chance finally to fill the tiny gap, not with pressure but with alignment, because you are not stuck, you are just then walking in a way that's not yours. It's not about learning more, it's about remembering what you have always known, coming back to the truth, who you really are. And I know you felt it, because alignment is not a concept, it's a shift you will feel in your nervous system, in your breath, in your body. That's why Aligned for Life is not just an ebook, it's a remembrance journey.
It's about integration, and I wanted to give you something that walks beside you each day. So, along with Aligned for Life, you will also receive a 21-day alignment practice to realign with ease, not force. Let one whisper a day bring you back to yourself, breath by breath, thought by thought. The alignment mirror. 7 gentle questions to see yourself again. Not just surface answers, but the parts of you that got buried. You will meet your truth here, softly, honestly, without judgment. The purpose map to guide your next steps with clarity, not pressure, because purpose is not a chase, it's a remembering, and when you see it clearly, you will move from alignment, not urgency.
So, if you feel it, don't wait. You are not stuck, you are just not aligned. Now you know what to do next. Let's begin.
One more thing, there's a surprise waiting for you. A special gift on day 7, something to support your daily alignment. I won't say much now. You will feel it when it arrives. Let's begin.